Now, folks, look at SharperTrades back from the 3-day long weekend. Market took a dive, primarily related to this court ruling that said Trump tariffs are illegal. That's a big problem. Send the market down. And I think the administration went into panic, but maybe they're addressing the issue. Trump is going to talk to his administration, to the judge, see what they come up with that. Market responded in a positive way to that because it's a big deal. They're counting on these tariffs to pay for the tax cut they gave the riches, and if that money, first of all, is going to be a problem if they're given back. I don't know if there's a system that can reverse that kind of payment. Very problematic, and then loss of revenue, billions of dollars. So we'll see what happens. But in the post market, we are seeing some positive move. The S&P 500 is up at 640, 642 at the moment. So that's important. Let's see how far up this one can extend, maybe fill the gap. What we need to see here is price come back above the 80 and then these recent highs at 646. The targets here, 654. If tomorrow, on the next few days, we see some lower opening, take out today low, and this red candle low down at 633, then we're going to see retest of the 50 SMA, 627, and then 620. ADSK, breakout following earnings. This one is an investment. I think it's got potential. Might need a few more days to set up consolidation, but generally, when you have a breakout with volume, earning the catalyst, price wants higher. Targets here are 323, 331, 339, and 349. Support, looking at 316, 315, more like it. 315 and 312. Baba going well. This one breakout of also following earnings on Friday. Is a swing initiated today, enter around 136. First target 142, and then looking for 150, 157. Two analysts, one gave a target of 159, Mizu, and another one, benchmark, gave a target of 196. Right now, 138. So there's a lot of room for a move. Support 130, keep it say 133, 130. See what kind of fluctuation we get. CIFR swing idea setting up for looks like wants to go higher. Positive move, big volume. 950, 11, and 1280. Support 750 and 7. EOSE, this one was a recent swing. Looks like wants to go higher. It's a breakout today with volume increase, bullish engulfing. Now 8, 930, and 11 are the targets, half of the candle, and today lower the support.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.